going on, YouTube? My first ever video, Money Mode Reacts on this channel. I'm gonna do a quick little rundown before we get into the video, man. On this channel, bro, just like this video right here we watching, we just really trying to elevate our mind, figure out different ways to make money. Cause something that really interests me is making money without like a regular job, or just making money online even interests me. So I'm just gonna be reacting to the stuff that I already watch in my free time when I'm trying to, you feel me, figure out a side hustle or something, or like improve my brain, or like self-help videos. We just gonna be reacting to all of them on here. And this one is just how to get paid on YouTube. And this is actually my second reaction channel. My first reaction channel, I react to like crime and like body cam videos. And this one, I made it just yesterday. But I've posted on this channel before, so a few subscribers might know me from a different type of video content. But I've yapped enough. Let's get straight into it and figure out how we could get paid on YouTube, man.
How do you make money on YouTube? How do you get monetized? What do you need to get monetized? How can you start making money? Reese, please help me. I got a channel that's doing numbers. You start making money. Reese, please help me. I got a channel that's doing numbers, but I don't know how to monetize it. I got you. In today's video, I'm going to be going over step by step.
Something I'm going to do on this channel, I'm going to take notes on every video. And then at the end of the videos, we gonna have takeaways that we all learned, and then y'all can comment down what you learned if I missed some. And yeah, man, let's improve together.
So first thing I need you guys to do, I need you to just take a deep breath. So we are gonna get through it, okay? Because it is a process, trust me. So patience is the most important thing in this process. So further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into how you start making money on YouTube. The first step is probably the easiest step.
And you go sub up to his channel, Reese in the Cut. He posts a lot of good motivational content, free game, put us on how to make money, things of that nature. Make sure y'all go sub up.
I've already done it. Create a YouTube channel. And that's the thing, you're watching this video, so 9 times out of 10, you probably already did that, right? So, you know, create a Google email.
On the right track.
Link it to your YouTube account. And also what you want to do is turn on your 2-step verification, right?
Okay,
that's your phone number, you know, your account recovery email, all those good things, just to make sure that your account is safe, or if you get locked out, you have something to fall back on, and all those good things. So what are the requirements? What do you need in order to start getting paid on YouTube? So for long form videos, you need a total of 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers. But here's the catch, bro. You have to accumulate this in the time span of 12 months. Yes, 1 year. So what that means, ladies and gentlemen, if you do not accumulate 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch time hours.
So pretty much I wasted 6 months. I think I was posting on YouTube for a good 3 months straight. I stopped for 6 months on my old channel. I stopped for 6 months. I'm at 150 subscribers, but I have like 3,000 watch hours, bro. Can I still make it within the last 6 months, or is it cooked, bro?
In 1 year, you will have to start the process all the way over. So it's important that you stay consistent. Now, for my short form creators out there, I know what you're thinking. So how do I get monetized?
I should have stayed
consistent. Your requirements are going to be 10 million shorts views and 1,000 subscribers, but in 90 days. You must complete this task in 90 days. So yes, long form content is the way to go, as you guys can see. But those are your requirements right there for short form content. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I keep track of all this stuff when I'm trying to edit videos and get content out? YouTube is going to keep track of that for you. Now it's going to look like a little something like this on the screen.
I ain't gonna lie. That's why I like doing reactions, because I'm not going to edit it. Shout out to Flight Reacts. Reactors like Soluminati, Flight Reacts, Cash Nasty. They inspired me to make my reaction channels, bro. They just so themselves. They just so themselves and just watching the video and reacting. And it's like, I could do that too, bro. I can. So that's what we doing, man. We
To
here.
keep track of your watch time hours, your subscribers, and they are going to let you know when you are able to monetize. Yes, they will either send you an email or they will reach out to you directly and say, hey, you are ready to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. So now that you got all of your requirements done, you are now ready to apply for YouTube monetization. So in order to do this, we are going to go to the YouTube Studio app. So make sure you guys download that on your phone. So you're going to go to the YouTube Studio app, click the Earn tab, and now you're going to scroll down and click Apply Now. And after you click Apply Now, you are going to agree and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. And then after that, we are going to wait for the official review. And just a heads up and a quick tip for you guys. So that review that YouTube is doing for you guys is to make sure that everything is good on your channel. So that consists of literally copyrights, strikes, you know, content that does not fit their partner program. So make sure you guys read the terms and make sure you don't have any red mark or copyrighted videos on it, because that might block you from literally getting into the YouTube Partner Program. Wow. So in the meantime, while we wait for the review, we are going to create a Google AdSense account, because I'm not sure if you guys know, YouTube is owned by Google. So YouTube is not the people who actually pays us. Google is who actually puts the money in our pockets. So that's why we run ads on the videos, like the ads you see.
So he pretty much saying when the ads run on videos, Google is who's actually running the ads and pretty much paying them. It's just on the YouTube platform, which is why YouTube gets their little chunk of change as well.
For the video, during the video, or probably after, right? So what we are going to do is we're going to go to the Google search bar and type in Google AdSense. And once we get there, we are going to sign up for an account. That's literally just the email that you are also using for your YouTube account as well. So make sure those are the same. And all you want to do is just fill out all your information, right? Your first, last name, your tax info. Yes, we get taxed. We have to pay taxes. So make sure you have your social security number ready, your tax info, all those good things. And a tip for you guys to make the process go even smoother: make sure when you upload your ID identification and all those different types of things, make sure your name matches up with your ID, because
why would your name not match your ID? Who's the money finna be going to?
YouTube is very strict on these verification processes, okay? These processes can take up to a long time if you guys do not have the right data matched up. Now, the big moment that you guys have been waiting for, we have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, and you'll probably get an email that looks just like this right here, letting you guys know that, hey,
all right, it's gonna say, congratulations, your YouTube channel has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. When I get that email, bro, whether it's on this channel, the first channel I have, bro, when I get that email, it's gonna feel so good. Like even though that's just like the first real step in the YouTube world, it's gonna feel so good, because it's like, okay, now I can actually get paid from the work I've been putting in before I was getting paid. Now I'm finna really turn up. You feel me?
You've been accepted to our YouTube Partner Program. It is now time to start making money, but you cannot be paid yet. So now that we have been accepted to the YouTube Partner Program and we have created a Google AdSense account and they have verified our identity, that is why it's important to make sure that you guys are putting everything in there right. It is time to verify our address, okay? So now, how do you verify your address? What they are going to do is they are going to send a 6-digit code to your mailbox. Yes, that's why you need to make sure that your address on your ID and the address that you currently live at adds up, okay? So make sure you guys are looking in the mail. It usually takes about maybe 1 to 2 weeks to get there. But once it gets there, you are going to put the 6-digit code into this box that I have put on the screen for you guys. And after that is done, you guys are ready to get paid. But of course, in order to start getting paid, we need to link our bank account to our Google AdSense account. So once we do this, and this is the kicker, so you guys make sure you listen to this part very carefully. Once we set up our bank account to our Google AdSense account, Google is going to make a small deposit, probably maybe anywhere from 5 2 cents. Actually, it's literally pennies. just like this on the screen. That's an example. And they are going to ask you to verify how much they sent you guys to the account before you can start making money, to make sure that it is your account, because you are the only person that's going to know how much they actually sent. So be looking out for that. So now that you have verified the amount that they have put in your bank account, you are ready to start making money on YouTube. Clap it up, right? But you need one more step in order to get paid. So you see, YouTube deals with a threshold. So us creators, we have to hit a monthly threshold in order to get paid. So that just doesn't mean, okay, if I made $10, $20, oh, can I get my money? No. The standard threshold in order to be able to make payment is $100. Now you can change it to 100. You can change it to 200.
So let's do some quick math real quick. So the average RPM I heard is about $7, right? $7. Let's say $7 is the RPM. RPM is how much you get paid per 1,000 views. So if I get 1,000 views, that's $7 off of one video. So to get $100 off of one video, I would need how many views? Is that what? 100 divided by 7? Did I do that right? 14,000. Wait, hold on. Wait, how am I supposed to be doing this math? Hold on, I'm about to pause this real quick. I look goofy. All right, y'all, I don't know why that took me so long, but if 1,000 views is $7, right? 10,000 views is $70. Then you would need 100,000 views to make $700. So that means you really need close to 10,000 plus views per month to get paid off of YouTube, because YouTube pays monthly. And if you post a lot, like I'm trying to post 5 videos a day, and my analytics are delayed by like 3 days, and I have like 2,000 views already, and it's not qualifying like 3-4 other videos. So it's very possible to get paid on YouTube once you get monetized. I think the monetization part is the only hard part. As long as you're consistent and posting a lot of videos with decent quality, you're going to be making a few $100 easily. Or not easily, but with some decent work ethic, pretty easily. Like getting paid to make videos, it's pretty easy.
To 1,000, to 10,000, anything you want to, but the standard threshold payment is $100. So if you are struggling to make some extra cash on the side of your 9-to-5 job, it all depends on what banking app you bank with and how fast they get direct deposits out. Most of the time, I receive my payments on the 21st, soon as midnight cracks the dawn. Okay, so other people, they might get it on the 25th, the 23rd, the 26th, who knows? And just a tip from me before I end off the video, if you guys want to get monetized a lot faster, long form content is the way to go. There's nothing wrong with shorts, but as you guys can see, you really don't get that much time to really, complete the mission. Long form content, staying consistent, and posting literally, if you can post probably about 15 to 20 minute videos, 3 to 4 times a week. Oh yeah.
Only 3 to 4 times a week. So if I stay consistent with 5 videos a day, or even 1 video a day, which is what I was doing before I started posting 5. So what I'm going to try to do is main channel, 5 videos a day. This channel, 2 videos a day. Sports channel, 1 to 2 videos a day if I can. And just see what happens, man. So like he said, bro, if y'all is interested in trying to make some money off of YouTube, long form is the way to go. He's pretty much done talking. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, man. See y'all later.